In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a referral link on BullX. So the first thing you want to do is go to bullx.io and then log into your account. So in case you don't have an account yet and you can't create it, there's a link down below in the description as well as the pinned comment. You can click on that link and it will give you access to BullX right away. So once you've gone through that link and then created your account, over here inside the account, you want to go to this left side navigation panel and then go to referral down here. Now, once you click referral over here, you will see it says you get early access referrals, and friends you refer get early access to BullX, and then they get a 10% fee discount. Now, as you can see over here, it says retweet to get started. So what you really should do over here is just click retweet to get started. And as you can see, it takes you to X where you can simply retweet. Now, I'm assuming you're logged in with your Twitter account or X account. If you're not, just log in, and then you want to retweet. So click this repost button over here and then repost. And then after this, as you can see, you've successfully reposted. Then you want to come back over here. And as you can see, this has already updated. It says you are eligible for the early access referral program. And then you want to click view dashboard. And from here, you have your link, okay? It says share your referral link. You want to just click on share over here. And once you click share over here, it will copy this link. And this link is now your referral link. You can send it to your friends and use it to refer them to this platform. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.